What is email marketing? Email marketing is the utilization of email to advance items or administrations while creating associations with likely clients or clients. It is basically standard mail done electronically rather than through the postal help. Find out about the advantages of email marketing, techniques get everything done as needs be, and the way in which it analyzes to a few different types of marketing. What is email marketing? Whenever an organization conveys an email, beside request affirmations and direct reactions to client questions, it very well may be viewed as a type of email marketing. Email marketing is one section of web marketing, which envelopes web-based marketing through sites, virtual entertainment, online journals, and that's just the beginning. Email marketing can remember bulletins with refreshes for the organization, or advancements of deals and select arrangements for supporters. Marketing emails may likewise look to share a general message for the organization's benefit, like following a cataclysmic event or organization outrage. At its ideal, email marketing permits organizations to keep their clients informed and tailor their marketing messages to their crowd. Even from a pessimistic standpoint, this sort of marketing can drive clients away with persistently irritating spam emails. How email marketing functions. It's not difficult to set up and follow an email marketing effort, which makes it open for independent companies. You can add a bulletin join choice to your site, for example. As individuals join, you can send bulletins to a developing crowd. You can likewise guide clients to the pamphlet from your online entertainment profiles. A normal pamphlet is a straightforward and powerful method for sending refreshes about your organization, impending occasions, and unique offers. Email programming additionally makes it simple to plan computerized special emails for clients who haven't bought as of late. Email marketing permits you to target specific gatherings of clients or even unambiguous people. Offering individual clients extraordinary birthday bargains on merchandise or administrations is one method for doing this. An eatery, for example, could send an email to clients on their birthday events offering half off a course. This sort of personalization assists a business create and keep a relationship with a client, and that can prompt expanded deals and client devotion. Email marketing stays pertinent. In the time of web-based entertainment, discounting email is enticing. Nonetheless, there is statistical proof that it stays a significant part of marketing endeavors. For example, specialists with the email marketing organization Litmus gauge that email marketing returns a normal of $42 for each $1 spent. One review viewed that as 59% of respondents were affected by email when it came to buying decisions. An investigation of more than 1 billion shopping meetings in 2019 found that email marketing has a change pace of 2.3%, contrasted with 1% for virtual entertainment. One tremendous benefit of email over web-based entertainment is that clients are bound to see an email than virtual entertainment. Simply posting something via virtual entertainment doesn't imply that everybody you need to see your message will see it. Notwithstanding, an email will sit in an inbox until it's perused or erased. In a perfect world, email marketing ought to remain closely connected with web-based entertainment. Adding virtual entertainment, like or offer buttons to your marketing emails gives an extra way for clients to associate with your image. Scraps of positive surveys from online entertainment fans can be remembered for emails, and virtual entertainment presents can drive clients on your email bulletins. Email marketing methodologies. Powerful email marketing requires exertion. The following are a couple of methodologies for capitalizing on your email marketing efforts. Assemble your own list. All you will do by sending a spontaneous email is switch off the vast majority of individuals you were wanting to transform into clients. Whether through your site, in your store, or at an occasion, clarify when clients are picking into accepting your emails. Observe the law. Email advertisers should comply with the standards of the Can-Spam Act. These standards incorporate having a non-misleading headline, giving a reasonable approach to withdraw, and including your name and address toward the finish of the emails. Stir up your messages. Try not to simply convey advertisements to purchase constantly. Utilize your emails to fabricate compatibility with clients by sharing your expertise or that of others, giving them tips and experiences they can esteem. Share data that tells them more about you and your organization. Regard your endorsers. Treat your list well. Recall that individuals you're speaking with have entrusted you with their data. They merit your regard. On the off chance that you believe an opportunity should change them from clients over completely to fans and even evangelists for your image, then cause them to feel unique. Follow a timetable. Adhere to a timetable on the off chance that you're doing a pamphlet. Conveying an email around the same time, or days, consistently will assist your endorsers with knowing what to anticipate from you and when. Streamline for versatile. Concentrates by marketing examiners with the organization Litmus have consistently observed that simply under portion of all emails are opened on cell phones. That implies, in the event that your email doesn't display accurately on versatile stages, a big part of your crowd will figure you don't have the foggiest idea how to make an email appropriately. Key important points. Email marketing is the utilization of email to advance an organization's items and administrations or to interface with the clients. At the point when it's gotten along admirably, email marketing is a compelling deals driver. At the point when it's fouled up, email marketing can seem to be spam that bothers clients. The best marketing emails are enhanced for cell phones, regard the clients, and follow a normal timetable while stirring up the informing.